ASO tool makes it easy for you to order your custom antisense oligonucleotides. You can find this tool by going to Products and under Custom Synthesis, selecting Custom ASO. On the tool, you can give the oligo any name you choose, select if you'd like the oligo to be purified, and your synthesis scale. You can use the 5' and 3' drop-down modification menus to select any end modifications you'd like, and then type in the sequence you would like synthesized. Click Refresh Price to see the cost of the oligo you've designed, and Add to Cart. From your cart, you can check out or have a quote generated and emailed to you automatically.